What's the meaning of chutzpah? Chutzpah. Chutzpah.
Chutzpah. Chutzpah. Chutzpah is a Yiddish word that has been adopted into English to mean audacity, nerve, or boldness. It refers to the quality of someone who is daring enough to say or do something that others might consider outrageous or inappropriate. Chutzpah implies a certain level of confidence, even arrogance, that allows a person to take risks and push boundaries without being afraid of the consequences. In popular culture, chutzpah is often associated with characters who are unapologetically brash and assertive, but who ultimately succeed because of their boldness and self-assurance.